Hello guys, welcome to Ruru's Kitchen. Today let's make meat cake. So we add our 3 eggs into our bowl. Then we mix until it is well combined. Mix it thoroughly until the egg is well mixed, like mixed together. So after enough mixing, after you feel like the egg is well mixed and combined together, then we'll go in with groundnut oil and sugar. As you can see, I measure everything. So go in with groundnut oil and sugar, then mix and combine everything together. Make sure it is well mixed and combined. Then the next thing we are going to add is butter. Mix it thoroughly. While mixing it, you keep adding your ingredients. Then the next thing we are going to go in is baking powder. Add your baking powder. Then after adding the baking powder, you mix a little bit. Mix it thoroughly. Make sure it is well mixed and nice. Then we go in with a pinch of baking soda and salt. Add everything and make sure everything is well mixed and combined. Then we'll go with half milk. We are going to add the remaining milk later. So after that, we'll go in with vanilla essence. So you can use any flavor of your choice. I'm using banana flavor. Then add it and mix it until it is well mixed and combined. Then after that, the next thing we are going to add is to go in with our flour. Add your flour step by step and you keep mixing it until you get to the consistency you want. Then after that, this is where we are going to add the remaining half of the milk we used remain. Then we mix it thoroughly. After enough mixing, then we add the remaining half of the milk we use remain. Then mix it thoroughly until the milk and the flour they are well mixed and combined together. Just keep mixing it until you get to a consistency fluffy cake dough. Then after that, the next thing we are going to do is to grab our meat that is already prepared. So I did not too much seasoning the meat, so I just stir fry the meat. So I add the meat. After adding the meat, then I mix and combine it together. This meat cake was so amazing, was so yummy. It was so delicious, guys. I'm not kidding. Go and try this meat cake. It is so amazing. You will like it. Mix it together. Make sure it is well mixed and bring out your cake bowl. Then you begin to transfer it into your cake bowl. Make sure you have some parchment paper under and sprinkle it with some groundnut oil to avoid not to stick. Then arrange it. Pour everything inside your bowl cake. Arrange it thoroughly and then you heat it in the wash surface like 3 times to take away the excess bubble. Guys, this meat cake was so amazing. It was so yummy. It tastes amazing. So put it in the oven. As you can see, our meat cake is ready. Guys, don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page at Lulu's Kitchen and also subscribe on my YouTube channel if you are watching from my YouTube channel, and drop your comments in the comment section below. Tell me if you are going to try this meat cake. It is so amazing. You will like it and your kids will also love it, guys. So as you can see, let's open the inside. So we'll remove the kitchen parchment paper we add under. They will press it down. As you can see, the cake is looking so amazing, so yummy. So let's see the inside. This meat cake was so soft. When you press it down, it will burst up. When you press it down, it will burst up, guys. So this meat cake tastes so amazing. Go and try this amazing meat cake, guys. How do you guys see our cake? I ate this cake like never before. This cake was so amazing. Can you see the inside? The inside, it tastes so yummy, guys. Don't forget to like, follow, remain blessed, and stay tuned. Bye.